Okay, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Kiko Javier. Ako po ang magiging trainer nyo for this Got Back Up Pilipinas training videos. Okay, by the way, I'm 13 years po as an affiliate marketer online and naniniwala po ako na marami akong maituturo sa inyo. And dito po natin simulan. First of all, welcome. Okay, I would like to believe that since this is your first time to watch this video, you're probably a new member. And what I mean by a new member, you should have paid the one-time affiliate fee. Okay, plus of course our monthly subscription of this Got Back Up Cloud Storage. Okay, so since nakapagbayad ka na, and I truly believe you're now a member, so the first thing you need to do, okay, check your emails, please. Please, make sure po you keep checking your emails. Ang ating pong primary way of communication dito po sa Got Backup, since this is an international affiliate marketing program, ay through emails. Okay, so make sure lagi kayong nagtitingin ng email nyo. And please check the spam, just in case po, baka may pumupunta sa spam. And you also can do whitelisting. Paki-check na lang po sa Google how to whitelist. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? You're actually tagging an email address na hindi siya spam, kaya lagi na siyang pupunta sa inbox. Okay? So once you log in, kung hindi mo alam yung login information mo, baka iba yung nag-register sa'yo, especially dito sa Pilipinas, uso yan. So please ask your upline, what's my username and password. Okay, once you log in, ito yung unang lalabas sa screen mo. Okay, the very first thing you need to do is to please just click that video. Yan lang po yan.
Hey
click
folks,
mo
Joel
yan.
Taryn here, and congratulations on becoming a Got Back Up
si
member.
Joel,
In
he's
this video,
the
I'm going to
CEO.
take you through the two most
Panoorin lang
important
po yan.
things to
Actually,
you. How to
navigation
use
na
the
yan,
Got Back Up
tinuturo na
software
yan.
and how to promote.
All you have
We're
to
all
do
here,
is
we
to
know we want to
watch
make great
it.
commissions from
Ayan.
home.
Pag
So let's go
tinanong
through the
asan
two
ba
most
yung
useful
dashboard
tools.
ko,
You can get them
alam
from
nyo,
this
lahat
link
ng
right
tatanungin
here.
nyo, nakasulat niya sa
Or
harap
as
mo.
you can see, if
Yan
you
yung
click on
tinuturo
digital
niya,
tools,
that's Got
then
Back
go
Up
to Got
dashboard.
Back Up,
Nasaan ba
you
yung
can go
mga
to reseller
promotional
tools
tools?
here as
Nasaan
well.
yung link
It
ko?
brings you to the same
Nandiyan
place.
po yan sa promotional
This first
tools.
affiliate link is
Paano
the
ba
most popular,
kitaan
and
ito? Ano
it's
ba
generating the
Complan?
best
Nandiyan yan sa
conversions.
Complan overview.
So that's this link
And
here.
actually,
And
pag
again, if you
pumunta
want to
ka
copy the
dito,
link to clipboard, you can copy it.
nandiyan na din po yan. Ano? So gagawa po ako ng another video for that. Pero for this video lang, the video number 1 is I'd like to welcome you. And I'd like you to commit that you want to be a learner in this program. You need to be a learner. Why? Because probably this is new to you. Alright, for us na may background na, then continue to learn. For you na bago pa lang, please, ang unang commitment mo for you to be successful in the internet affiliate marketing program is commit to be a learner. Dapat gustong-gusto mong matuto. Hindi yung isang click lang, wala nangyari. Uy, wala nangyari. Ang hirap naman ito. Ayoko na. Grabe, ang pangit pala ng mga ganito. Oops, ayoko na. Alright? Again, if you're not on the internet space, believe me, business has changed. So, iba na ang business ngayon. So, this is your time. This is your chance to really learn with the professionals. And Got Back Up is one of those who has been in the industry for 20 years. So, mga pro na po ito. Alright, so that's my first video. Magkita tayo sa susunod na video.